Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is the Global Cybersecurity Index 2024. Why in news? India has jumped to Tier 1 in the Global Cybersecurity Index 2024 released by the International Telecommunication Union when it comes to role modeling as part of the country's cybersecurity commitments and resulting impacts. About Global Cybersecurity Index 2024. ITU's Global Cybersecurity Index 2024 assesses national efforts across 5 pillars representing country-level cybersecurity commitments, legal, technical, organizational capacity development and cooperation. GCI 2024 also uses a new 5-tier analysis, a shift that allows a greater focus on each country's advances with cybersecurity commitments and resulting impacts. The report places 46 countries in Tier 1, the highest of the 5 tiers, reserved for role modeling countries that demonstrate a strong commitment in all 5 cybersecurity pillars. Most countries are either establishing, that is Tier 3, or evolving, that is Tier 4, in terms of cybersecurity. The 105 countries in these tiers have largely expanded digital services and connectivity but still need to integrate cybersecurity measures. According to GCI 2024, the African region has advanced the most in cybersecurity since 2021. All world regions show improvement since the last report. Key findings of the GCI. Legal measures are the strongest cybersecurity pillar for most countries. Computer incident response teams are crucial for national cybersecurity. National cybersecurity strategies are becoming more prevalent. Cyber awareness campaigns are widespread. Initiatives for the cybersecurity industry continue evolving. Many countries cooperate on cybersecurity through existing treaties. Capacity development and technical pillars are relatively weak in most countries. Now let's talk about key recommendations of GCI 2024. The report offers 11 key recommendations, from enhancing critical infrastructure to providing cybersecurity training. GCI 2024 suggests that countries can prioritize high-impact activities including implementing legal measures applicable across all sectors, developing and regularly updating a comprehensive national cybersecurity strategy and a practical concrete action plan, enhancing incident response capabilities, delivering of capacity building and training to cybersecurity professionals, youth and vulnerable groups to strengthen cybersecurity skills, fostering domestic and international cooperation and collaboration on information sharing, training opportunities and capacity development. Now let's talk about ITU. ITU, the UN Agency for Digital Technologies, aims to connect the estimated 2.6 billion people who currently remain offline. Headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, and with regional offices on every continent, ITU is the oldest agency in the UN family, connecting the world since the dawn of the telegraph in 1865. ITU established the Global Cybersecurity Index in 2015. The report series identifies areas for improvement and encourages countries to act on strengthening cybersecurity. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about GCI 2024. The Global Cybersecurity Index 2024 released by the World Economic Forum. India has jumped to Tier 2 in the Global Cybersecurity Index 2024. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.